Hey coin collectors and treasure hunters. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2020P Jefferson Nickel, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Narrator, minted in Philadelphia. The 2020P Jefferson Nickel features a modern forward-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson on the obverse, designed by Jamie Franke. On the reverse, the iconic Monticello, still standing proud. Narrator, now, what makes the 2020P special to collectors? While it's not considered rare in circulation, rarer versions of this coin can be worth real money. Narrator, look out for die chips on Jefferson's eye, doubling on the word liberty, or even off-center strikes. These errors have sold from $5 to over $50, depending on condition. Narrator, if you've got a 2020P in near-perfect condition, especially graded MS66 or higher, it could be worth $10 or more to the right buyer. Narrator, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow collectors. Every click helps us grow and keeps the coin hunting fun going strong. Narrator, drop a comment below if you've found a 2020P with an error, and I'll see you in the next treasure hunt.